But at the heart of this is experience that we've gained over the last 5 years working with corporates in various communities. We go into a community and the first thing we settled is a toy library. It's non-invasive, it's friendly, it's inviting, it's playful, and immediately parents and practitioners can benefit from becoming part of the library and journeying with us as we provide them with resources and training, etc. In our revised model, when we looked at this in August, we realized how important the mentoring and support on the ground function is, and so decided that part of what the toy library should be doing is to also do the mentoring. And we've kind of relooked the roles within the toy library, and we would be adding a third person so that they have the sole responsibility of mentoring and supporting on the ground as practitioners implement learning programs.